Welcome to No BS Shopify SEO optimization tutorial. I'm going to show you how to rank your Shopify organically without relying on ads much more than what you need. So we're going to look at this one specific keyword, which is a natural source right here. We're going to take one domain, which is a mother's gold, okay, pure sheep butter soap, and see if they're organically ranking or is just the paid traffic. So I'm just going to go to the domain and copy this domain name, and I'll take it to the Semrush domain overview, which is a SEO keyword research tool. I'll leave the link below in the description for 7-day free trial. You can check that out. So once inside the Semrush, you're gonna go to the domain overview, and here you wanna type in the domain which you want to analyze, and I'm gonna hit search. Here you can see the organic traffic is 122. Now this is not a surprise because mothersgold.com is it's like a looking very brand name, and it has 295 backlinks. Now if you're new to SEO, don't worry, I have made a bunch of tutorials. You can go watch other videos in my playlist section called Increase Your Website Organic Traffic. If you don't know what the backlinks are nothing but another domains referring you, okay? Another domains which are linking to your website. It is, one way of telling Google that it is a legit site. Now 295 websites are telling Google that mothersgold.com is a legit website, so that I'm referring. And then we have paid search traffic, which is a 3, which is less than organic search traffic. Now they're doing something organic, right? Maybe they're writing blogs, maybe they're promoting on Instagram or Facebook or whatever social traffic they are getting organically. And the traffic they were getting 500 search traffic in a time period of 6 months, and then dropped. Now if you want to get all this analysis, again the Semrush, the free tool, will be in the description. You can check that out. Now if I scroll down, I can see what are the organic keywords they are ranking currently. Now here what I can do is I can simply click on view details. Alright, we are inside organic research tab for the particular keywords, and then the mothersgold.com, these are the keywords which are organically ranking. So if I type in Mother's Gold, of course it's a navigational keywords. So navigational keywords nothing but they're directly navigating to the mothersgold.com. Like people open the app and search in Google mothersgold.com, and then directly take you to the landing page. Other than this navigational keyword, I want to filter this, okay? So I'm just going to remove the navigational keyword, only select the informational, commercial and transactional, and see what keywords they have. So right now I have filtered, and we got 32 keywords which they are organically ranking for. Now if you look at here, we have something called KD, which is a keyword difficulty, and then we have volume, traffic again, and then SERP, position, and then intent keyword. Now we can see the amount of volume traffic generally the keyword gets, and the traffic they are getting 0. But we're gonna look at filter. One of the easiest way to find good keywords is making the keyword difficulty very low. So I'm going to make this, sort this to low to high. So the less keyword difficulty, the easier it is for you to rank. So I'm just gonna make it lower to high. Alright, right now you can see the keyword difficulty which has 0, 0. The green color, it shows that it is easier for you to rank, and the volume is number of traffic you can potentially get. Now here you can see sheep butter for men, and mother's choice butter, and natural body spray women's. So these are keywords which you need to, if this is your competitor. So think about this. I'm running as natural body soap organic product through my Shopify, okay? So then this is going to be my competitor, and my competitor is ranking, potentially they're ranking for these keywords, which is why I can also focus on these keywords to get potential traffic, right? Now if you ask me where to publish blog posts on Shopify, so what you want to do is you want to go to the content, and here go to the blog posts. Okay, so this is a dummy store which I have set up to show you, and here what you want to do is click on create blog post. Now what Shopify has done really interesting is they have AI feature right here. So here you can see they're writing, they're prompting to generate blog content by just typing in what the keyword, right? What is this blog about? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of the keyword difficulty less but has a potential volume. So let's just say golden soap or fruit scented body wash. So let me just take this and put it inside, put it as a keyword. So let me just take this and put it as a keyword. Okay, now here you can set the tone to persuade you. You have a bunch of options right here: expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuade you, and support you. So these are writing options, right? Content writing options. So we're just gonna go with expert, and we can also give custom special instructions like replacing some words with emojis if you don't want to do that. So click on generate. Now if you read this is going to be a transactional type of article. Okay, so there are 4 types of articles, which is a navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. Now if you ask me what is transactional is nothing but you write your intention would be selling something in exchange of money, right? So that is a transaction, so which is why it's called transactional keywords, right? So this whole article is going to be transactional, and you can see I can let it keep. So the whole article has been generated, right? Now what you want to do is you need to always go to the top, and here after the first paragraph you need to put a banner image. You can just go here, you can just go to the insert image and insert your banner which you are designed for your store, and make it a call to action to buy, purchase the product. Or you can also give buy now at some kind of pitching the product, right? Or you can also try give away free resources, get free, something like that, right? Shopify persuasion selling points. And this is how you write blog posts. Now I'm not sure this is going to be SEO optimized article or not, but the best way to write SEO optimized articles using AI is through Journalist AI. So Journalist AI basically is an AI SEO writing tool which is the best in the market. It offers you a bunch of options right here. One is a SEO article, just input the keyword, it's gonna write a SEO article for you, which is going to be 1000 words, minimum 2000 words. And then you have AI news article, you can simply type in a query and it's going to generate news articles for you. And then Amazon single product review. If you're doing a Amazon affiliate marketing, then input the URL and it's going to convert the URL into blog post. And then you have YouTube to blog post, which you simply enter the URL YouTube video, then it's going to be converted into blog post, right? So these are a bunch of features. What you need to do is you can simply click on SEO article and then input the keyword right here, and you can give a title and click on add keywords, right? Then it's going to generate an article. And I'll show you one of the example how you can write an SEO optimized article. If I click on SEO articles and then give my title, how to create a high CTR thumbnails, okay, and then I'm gonna give the same keyword as the keyword is going to be create high CTR thumbnails, and then click on add keyword. Now it will take me to another page which will prompt me to generate article, or if you want to make configuration. Now if I want to make configurations, you can see you can integrate to one of your website and enable auto blogging. Okay, many people they don't want to go to the WordPress, log in and edit the images, every single thing on page SEO. Like nowadays AI does the job for you, okay, especially Journalist AI. You can simply click on swipe this Autoblog and then you make some integrations. It offers integrations with Shopify, Blogger, WordPress, every single CMS, okay, even the custom API, okay. And then there is also social media. Now let me come back, and here my keyword is create a high CTR thumbnail, so I'm going to click on generate article. Alright, right now it has generated article under a minute. Now I can simply click on the title article and it is going to open up a full editor. Now here there are 2 things you can do. One, you can directly integrate to your site, to whichever CMS you are using, and directly post to your CMS website, right? It has generated every single thing, even the images, headings, and then FAQs you can see at the end, right? Even the featured image. Now the second thing what you can do is you can manually copy paste right here and then post it inside the WordPress or whatever CMS you're using. And there's also another feature. If I go here and click on edit with AI, we can see right here a new SEO editor is open right here. Now what this means is there are a lot of features inside this which I want to show you. One of the best thing which I want to show you is if I select any paragraph which I don't want, let's say I want to customize this paragraph, when I select this, there's going to 3 options, pops up. One is a rewrite, and if I click on rewrite, you can give a prompt to expand the paragraph, or you can simplify, you can rewrite, you can make longer, make shorter, make a list, make a table. So let me just click on make shorter and see how it does. Alright, now it is prompting me to discard or accept, so I'm just gonna go here and click on accept. And then if I go to the second option, which is add keywords, you can manually enter the keywords which you want at the beginning of the article, right, to SEO optimize. And then the third option is add external link. If there is any possibility of adding external link, it does the job for you. Otherwise it says it returns empty. That's a great feature. So right now there's a possibility we can add external links, so I'm just gonna select this, and that's it. Manually, automatically the external links are present here, and then I can simply copy and take it to the WordPress and publish to Google. When it comes to integration, you can integrate your Shopify store and Journalist AI. Let me show you. Go to the dashboard and click on blog automation, and here go to the integrations. Once you're inside integration, you want to click on integration, and here you have a bunch of options which you can find Shopify among them. Click on Shopify and you can put the access token, and if you want to know how to get the access token, you have literally a tutorial on how to get the access token right here.
To set up your Shopify.
Alright, you can completely watch this video and take your Journalist AI, integrate to your Shopify store and directly auto publish. And the most important thing you want to keep in mind is search engine listing. So what you want to do is click on edit. So page title, what you want to give is, you're going to give whatever the meta title which Journalist AI has written for you, and the meta description, whatever the Journalist AI meta description has written for you, and the URL, you're going to give the keyword names. Okay, so example, my keyword is going to be fruit scented body wash, right? So come down here and you want to give this as a URL, right? Don't forget this, because this is very important, and Google needs to identify the keyword inside the URL handle so that it can recognize where to rank, right? And then make sure the visibility visible, and add a nice image. Set your author, set the tags. You can set the tags as body wash, and you can set your category. So that's it. This is how you do Shopify SEO. With that being said, catch you on the next one. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want help with SEO, book a one-on-one call with me. That being said, catch you on the next one.